Do you want to know how to make money online in the UAE completely for free? Then this video is for you. I am often asked about ways to earn in different countries, and in this video I will show you 7 legit ways where you can start earning completely for free and start earning today if you live in the United Arab Emirates. If you do not live there, then I have plenty of videos about ways to earn in other countries, and I'll leave a link to that below here so you can check that out. But if you live in the UAE, then let's continue so you can see the methods that are available for you. So before I go over the 7 methods, I just want to set the expectations, because what I will show you are what you can call easy money methods where you can start earning right away. But you need to do it with the right expectations, because the ways that are completely free to earn online where you can start earning right away, they are usually not a way to make a full-time income. And that's important to know. They can be great because you do not need any experiences and you can start earning today. But if you're expecting to make hundreds of dollars per day or a living or something like that, then you will be disappointed. But if you're looking for some extra cash on the side, then these options are really great because they are so easy to get started with. So let's now go over 7 legit and real ways you can earn completely for free in the UAE. So a really great way to earn some extra cash is by taking paid surveys, and there are actually some really great opportunities in the UAE. Some of the options are, for example, YouGov or Tuluna and Panel Station. They are just 3 really great survey sites where you can sign up, and then you will get paid to share your opinion, and you can then earn cash or gift cards depending on the platforms. And I have a whole list of legit and great paid service sites in the UAE on my website, and I will of course leave a link to that below. So if you think that paid service is the right option for you, then you can go there and check that out. But there are also a lot of other ways you can earn. So if service are not for you, then let's go over some of the other methods. So another way to earn some extra cash is by joining passive income apps, and one such app is Honeygain, and here you just have to install it on your device, and then you will earn passively just by sharing your unused internet. So once it has been installed, there's nothing else to do. And then once you've earned $20, you can take out your earnings. It can take a little bit of patience here because the earnings are of course not huge, but you also do not have to do anything. And if you join through an invitation link, you will get a $5 joining bonus. And I have such an invitation link, and I will also leave links to where you can find that below here. So if you want to test out Honeygain, then make sure to check that out. And this is just one example of passive income apps. There are also other options in the UAE, and I will also leave links to information about more similar opportunities. So if you want to join other ways to earn this way as well, then you can find all that information on my website. Another way to earn is by watching videos, and let me just reveal right away that this is definitely not the most effective way to earn in the UAE, but it can be an entertaining way to earn, and there are quite a few platforms that will pay you to watch videos, or in most cases they will actually pay you to watch the ads in between the videos. But one such platform is Hideout TV. But there also are other platforms that offers different earning opportunities by watching videos. And again, of course, I will leave a link to that below here. But if you like watching videos, then this can be a way to earn a bit extra. But the other methods, or most of the other methods I mentioned here in this video, will be a way to earn more. But on some platforms, you can actually just let the videos run, and then it can kind of be a passive way to earn a bit also. Solving CAPTCHA can be another way to earn some extra money online, and you just simply have to join these CAPTCHA solving sites, and then you can start solving these CAPTCHAs there, and you will get paid when you do that. This does take quite a bit of patience and a lot of focus actually, so it takes quite a bit of effort compared to some of the other earning methods. But the great thing about CAPTCHA sites is that there's always a lot of available work there. Personally, it's not really a method that I recommend too much because it can be quite tiring to do these tasks and the rewards are usually quite low. But if you have a hard time finding other earning opportunities, then this platform will always offer you ways to earn. And I also have a full guide about CAPTCHA solving sites and some examples of some good options on my website, and I will of course also leave a link to that below this video here. Another way you can earn online in the UAE is by joining data entry sites, and there are quite a lot of different sites like this, and it can be, for example, by transcribing or drawing lines or doing all kind of similar small tasks like that. It requires sometimes a little bit of training to get started, but if you join the legit sites, they are completely free to use as well, and if you become skilled, it can also be a way to earn quite a bit of nice extra cash. So if you're willing to invest a little bit more time into learning this skill here, but also potentially earn some quite nice cash, then it can be a way to do it through these data entry sites. And also here I have a full guide and I have a list of some really great opportunities on my website, and I will of course leave a link to that below this video here also. So if you want to do these data entry tasks, then there is more information there. If you like playing games, then that can actually also be a way to earn a little bit extra. There are plenty of websites or apps you can use to earn a bit extra by playing games. And one such app is called App Karma. Here you get paid when you download different games and when you play them. Again, it's not a way to make a full-time income or anything like that, but if you like playing games anyways, then why not earn while doing it? And at the same time, you will also often be introduced to new games, so it can be a fun way to get to know new games. And there are quite a lot of platforms like this, and I of course also have a full list of that on my website, and I'll leave a link there. And there you can also find a special bonus link for App Karma if you decide that's the one you want to use. So if you join through that link, you will get 500 points just for signing up. So the last option I want to go over is by taking paid offers, because many get paid to sites that also offer service, offer several other ways to earn, and often you can find these offer walls here, and I'm on an offer wall on a platform called Ysense now here, and you can, for example, sign up for free trials or take different other offers here, or download some different apps and test them. And if you find the right offers, then you can earn some really nice rewards like this. Just always make sure to read the conditions, because not all offers will be worth it. But if you choose wisely, it can actually give some really nice extra rewards. I would say that if you use get paid to sites, or if you use service sites anyways, then make sure to check out these paid offers once in a while, because it can really be a way to boost your earnings. So as you can see, there are plenty of ways you can earn completely for free if you live in the UAE. Exactly which methods are best really depends on your personal preferences, and that is why I wanted to show you 7 different methods, and all of these methods have a lot of different platforms that offer this earning opportunity. So if you join several of them, you will be able to get quite a lot of different ways to earn. And you are also of course welcome to use several of the different earning opportunities and combine it, so you can find the combination that fits you the best, so it doesn't get boring to just do one kind of tasks. But I hope this video helped you figure out how you can earn completely for free in the UAE, and I will leave links to all the platforms I mentioned and lists of more platforms below here, so you can find all that information. And if you have any questions or any experiences with any of these platforms, I would love to hear from you in a comment below here also. And make sure to also like the video here if it helped you, and definitely also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.